How do you plan to go about achieving your financial goals? Lots of decisions to make, right? Who's going to make those decisions? Ultimately, you can attempt to do it on your own, or you can seek the help of a professional. What choice should you make? Well, watch this video all the way to the end because I'm about to break it down for you. Greetings, Andrew May here, investment advisor and certified financial planner professional, bringing you real-world strategies designed to assist you in navigating your personal financial life. These are the same strategies that I share with clients in my investment advisory practice, as well as utilize in my own financial life where applicable. If having a more rewarding financial life sounds appealing to you, and it should, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be releasing new content on a regular basis and I don't want you to miss anything. Also, hit the bell icon. That way you'll be notified each time a new video becomes available. When it comes to managing the totality of your financial life, from the time you begin your career all the way through retirement, you're going to be faced with numerous financial decisions. Some of those decisions may include how to go about saving for a down payment on a home, or how to go about saving to fund your children's education or your retirement. Then there's the question of what type of accounts should you be establishing for these purposes? How much should you be contributing to them? How should the money be invested? And that's just addressing the investment portion of your life. What about insurance? Are you someone who might need life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance? And then once you start earning an income, you're going to have to pay taxes. So will you prepare your tax returns yourself, or will you hire an accountant to do that for you? And then what about your estate planning? You own assets now, so do you have a last will and testament? As you can see, the decisions are seemingly endless. And guess what? You'll be making these decisions your entire adult life. If you're the type of person who gets excited by these types of questions and decisions and is willing to invest a significant amount of time over the course of your life learning about these topics, then you might be what's known as a do-it-yourself investor. As a do-it-yourself investor, you can take on all or some of the responsibility of managing your financial life and hiring professionals to handle the aspects of your financial life that you don't want to take on all by yourself. But if you don't have an interest in these topics, then that's perfectly fine and okay. In fact, most people that I meet or that I work with, their interests lie in other aspects of their life or in other vocations, not necessarily in personal finance. They want to have successful financial lives, but they're willing to outsource the management of their financial life to professionals rather than invest their own personal time and energies in taking on the responsibilities themselves. And you might fall into that category. And if you do fall into that category, guess what? I have some good news for you. You don't have to concern yourself about becoming an expert in personal financial planning and investment management. In your case, you will need to invest your time in finding the most qualified and competent financial professionals who can assist you with your planning activities. I am making this video to alert viewers to the two options they have and the decisions that they need to make so they can work at getting their financial life in order as early as possible. And when it comes to hiring professionals to assist you with your personal financial life, individuals typically need three types: an investment advisor, an accountant, and an attorney specializing in family law and estate planning. And when it comes to hiring an investment advisor, someone like myself, for instance, I suggest looking for someone with the following credentials. First, I recommend hiring someone who is a registered investment advisor representative. This is the type of advisor who is required to put your interest, the customer's interest, ahead of theirs and ahead of their firm's. They're required to represent you in a fiduciary capacity. This is the type of advisor you want to hire. Your advisor should also be a certified financial planner professional, also referred to as a CFP professional. To become a CFP professional, an advisor has to complete 4 certification requirements, which are known as the 4 E's: education, examination, experience, and ethics. There's an educational curriculum that an individual has to go through in order to sit for the CFP exam. Coursework includes financial planning principles, insurance and employee benefits planning, investment planning, retirement income planning, tax planning, and estate planning. The examination portion of the program was comprehensive, covering all of those topics, and it took place when I took the exam over a 2-day period. It was very, very challenging. The educational component to this program has been essential for me and my wealth management services that I offer, and that's one of the reasons I recommend that anyone who hires an investment advisor consider hiring someone who is a CFP professional, because the experience that they have, the knowledge base that they have, as well as the ethics that they're required to adhere to, can always serve to benefit you in your planning activities. And the final qualification that I would look for when hiring an investment advisor is someone who's been in the industry and functioning in the role of an investment advisor for at least 10 years. Believe me, experience matters. So, in summary, if you are a do-it-yourself investor, then you may wish to serve as your own financial advisor and handle all or a portion of your financial planning activities on your own. On the other hand, if you prefer to delegate these type of responsibilities to professionals, then I recommend as early in your adult life as possible to begin looking to establish relationships with an investment advisor, an accountant, and an estate planning attorney. Once you have your team in place, you should rely upon them for guidance and communicate with them whenever you experience a change that may impact your financial life. If you found this video helpful and feel as if it could have a positive impact on your financial future, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you know of someone who may also benefit from the contents of this video, then please consider doing that person a favor and sharing the video with them. Until next time, I'm Andrew May, investment advisor and certified financial planner professional. I believe that you can do this.